Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about implicit differentiation. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we can apply the power rules in here, and that is about 2x. This one we applied the product rule, and they will be like this. This one we have 2y and first the derivative of y, because we have y, that's why we have first the derivative of y in here. This one we can apply the power rule, and that's why we have 2y. This one we have 0, because that is about the constant. This one we have number 1. This one we have first the derivative of y. Later that, first the derivative of y we can do about factorization. Next, I will put this one go to the right. And later that we divide both sides by this one. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.